everyone, I'm Tiffany and I'm back again with another video today. It's about skin and by the way, I want to mention about my hair. This is kind of first time I have this kind of hairstyle. I really liked it. Make me feel really wild and yeah. And I found a really good Japanese hairstylist in Bangkok, so she helped me to cut the hair like this, and I really liked it. It is about skin stuff and some laser treatment topic. So one thing I want to mention is that tomorrow I'm gonna go to the skin clinic to have the Venus Viva laser treatment, and I will bring you guys with me. And if you guys have similar issues or kind of questions, you can comment down below, and maybe you can, as consider my experience to help you out or something like that. Yeah, when I was teenager, I have had the acne issue on my skin, so I just cannot take that. I just can't stop to using my nails to pick my skin. That is no really big regret things in my life. If I can go back to that time to tell myself one thing is this one: don't ever use your finger or nails to touch your skin and pick your skin. It's so wrong and helpless. So it left some acne scar on my skin until today, until nowadays, so but I'm kind of person who like really healthy, glowing, dewy skin. I think it's kind of a trend nowadays, and everybody wanna have a perfect skin, right? So yeah, so I rather to spend a lot of money and time to do the laser treatment, to take care of my skin, to learn how to take care of my skin, rather than to put the heavy makeup on my skin. So when I was young, I kind of like that full coverage foundation and everything, but after I gain some ages, I don't like that anymore. Yeah, especially when you get older, your fine line is more and more deep, and around your eyes is dry, around your mouth is dry, and personally I have combination skin, so it's sometimes hard for me to wear the really heavy makeup, and it's not feel good. It's you can feel heavy on your skin throughout the day, and I like to live in the warmer places like Hong Kong, like Thailand. Yeah, so if you live in these warm places, you cannot wear really heavy makeup. It's not gonna look cute throughout the day. So before second time Venus Viva treatment, I already have, since 2018, I already have 6 times of CO2 laser treatment, and after that I accept more than half of year the Pico laser treatment, especially for my sun damaged area like my cheeks, but CO2 is mainly for the acne scars. My skin actually improved a lot. That's not temporary, if you know how to take care of your skin, It's not temporary. After you have had a laser treatment, you put the sunscreen on after all, and you learn how to take care of your skin, and your skin will be good. Yeah. I'll up close. Right now I'm using the iPhone camera, so you can tell everything on my skin. Actually, you can see this is not large pores. It's all acne scars left on my face. So I hate that. And I've already accepted once Venus Viva treatment, and I felt my skin improved a lot. So tomorrow is the second time. Usually I have to take like 3 times is 1 course for Venus Viva treatment. So yeah, tomorrow I will bring you guys with me. Yeah, just they already put the dark cream on my face, and after hydration treatment and long cream and Venus Viva treatment, yeah, I have to wait 45 minutes and then go to do my treatment. Hello you guys, excuse my appearance right now because as you can see, I just finished my treatment, and this time is really red and blood. After this kind of treatment, it's the first time that I saw my face is bleeding, but doctor said it's okay. So yeah, and I will update the healing process with you guys. Hello you guys, and today is the day 1 after I finished my treatment, and you can see my face. Yeah, it's red and some blood marks drying up on my face because I cannot wash my face last night. Actually, I cannot wash my face after the treatment in 24 hours. So right now I can wash my face, and after that I will put some cream that they gave it to me. Yeah, just it. Close up. Yeah. I rinsed my face with water, and I'll put this chloramphenicol cream that they give it to me on my face. And the doctor said I have to apply this twice a day and for 3 or 4 days, not over 4 days like this. Yeah. Hello you guys, and I just finished my workout, and excuse my appearance, and you can say that today is day 2. Still some blemish on my face, and but it's much better. I mean, it's not puffy. At least I don't feel puffy on my face, kind of. Yeah, and we shall see tomorrow. Hello everyone, today is day 3 after I got my Venus Viva treatment, and you can tell some detail on my face. On my cheek area, it's have healing, yeah, and no more puffiness, and I feel great. Yeah, and I will keep update with you guys. Hello everyone, today is day 4 after my treatment, and actually since yesterday my kind of treatment have some the top of layer of skin is start to peeling off, and today you can tell it's this area is smooth a lot, and this area is already is a kind of a new skin, yeah. And the results is really good actually, but this spot is a little bit red, but I can tell it's smooth a lot more than before. And this area, you can tell I have zero makeup on, and yeah, it's just my skin, and yeah, I'm really happy without the results so far. So I'll keep update with you guys. Today is day 5 of after I finished my treatment. Right now I'm back to my normal skincare routine. So there's no makeup on, but I put some sunscreen on my face. You can tell. Actually, all the on top of the dead skin is all peeling off, and right now is kind of a newer skin. You can tell the detail on my face because right now I'm using the iPhone camera. You can see. Actually, until right now, it's still in the healing process, but it's a lot more better, especially here on my kind of scars. You can tell this is not pore, this is scars. So actually my pore is really okay. I don't have really big large pore, but if you can tell some imperfection on my face, it's just my acne scars. So that's is one thing make me really unhappy with. So I'm just okay, I'll keep update with you guys. Hello everyone, and today is the last day I will update with you guys after 6 days of my treatment, or 7 days, I don't remember. Yeah, and I just finished my shower, and you can tell my skin, I put nothing on my skin, and I can tell first from forehead. Actually my forehead is the skin on my forehead is really good. It's my forehead is just flawless, but on the chin area, this area, it's all good, and even my cheek area is kind of okay. I mean, it's good, and especially here, this part of my face is my problem area, and but I'm okay with my pores, don't get me wrong, but you can tell my skin, right? Again, I'm using my iPhone camera, so my pores is really small actually. Only you can see all of this is all acne scars. Before I did the treatment, the acne scar was really deep, and right now it's just more and more shallow. You know what I mean? Yeah. So yeah, just like this. And right now I'm pretty satisfied with the results I get so far right now. So I will do more actually. I will try my best to give my skin a really good chance to get better and better, just like this.